Hello everyone, CV here with another video for BaseSwap. Today is a short video and I'm introducing a new feature that we rolled out a couple days ago. Some of you may have found it already, but for those of you who haven't, I just want to quickly take you through the features and what the information is saying. So we've added this analytics page to the main navigation, and you can access it through going to the analytics tab up here. And then what you'll find once this page loads, not sure why, there it is three options right here. You'll have the protocol, the V2 pools, and the V3 pools. So for the protocol, overall we have our TVL of the DEX, and that's broken down into V2 and V3. The 24 volume, the cumulative volume, and then the staker value. Little more of the fee metrics. We've got for the V2, total fees, user fees, protocol fees, same for the V3 right here, and then combined metrics down here. You also have some more information on our two native tokens, BSWAP and of course BSX, the current price, the market cap, and the circulating supply. So super valuable information that was available out there already on various platforms or profiles that we had on CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko or the terminal ones, but now we've compiled them all into one easy access page. Moving over to the V2 pools, you can see the same type of information, the TVL, all-time volume, for that V2, so that would be $371 million. The top 5 pools broken down by size, and you can see that AK111 is just a beast on our DEX. You can see all the pools listed down here on the left-hand side with the corresponding fee tier. And on this, it's all 0.25. The TVL, and then you can get the pool address contract right here. So you'd be able to go in and look at that, or you'd be able to copy it over and be able to search it on Dex Screener or something if you so wanted. Moving over to the V3 pools, same information, top 5 pools based on TVL, the total TVL, all-time volume, and look at this one, 4.5 billion. Just incredible, the difference between the V2 and the V3 in volume. Same thing, the pool combination here, USDC, USD, fee tier. This one varies a little more depending on the type. So you can see on a stable pair it's very low at 0.008, moving all the way up to 2% for some of the maybe meme-ish type coins, and a stable pairing. So those are some tools that I think are going to be very helpful for people. They've been asking about this sort of stuff, so our devs have put this together and done it in a very visually appealing way, very easy to read, very easy to navigate between the protocol and the V2 or the V3. Now we do have another dashboard, or a page, and you can see this one is at analytics.baseswap, where the one previously was baseswap/analytics. So this is built on to or within our website, and then we've put this one over on a subdomain. So same information. This information actually I think pulls from this dashboard, but you can see our two native tokens, BSWAP, BSX, again, market cap, circulating supply, our total TVL, volume, cumulative volume, and cumulative fees earned. Same really clean, clear pie chart information that we can break down if we want to see a little more in-depth information. Moving down here, we can see the daily swap volume over time, and we're able to highlight certain sections of this and zoom in or zoom out using the tools here. We could remove the V2 volume if we wanted, or the V3, by simply just clicking the layers in the legend here. Daily fees earned over time, and again, you could zoom in if you wanted a closer look and be able to see those broken down in the V2, 3, staker, just basically everything the DEX did that day. And again, we can remove layers if we want. And then we've got this information broken down monthly. Again, we can look at remove layers and look at individual fees and volumes. And then, of course, we have the detailed actually contract information. So you'll be able to get the two contracts of the pairings, the symbols, token 1, 2. You can see all the TVL in USD. Same information for the detailed V3 pool. So we hope that's helpful. I find it very helpful. I think this is an amazing addition to the DEX and the information being presented very clearly to our community. And I found it very helpful, and I think you will too. So that's it for this video. I'm CV, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye now.